Welcome to CashFreight.com. Our goal is to give the freight industry a universal platform to improve, simplify, and automate the repetitive office workflow. We are excited to show you the improvements we have implemented. We hope you are excited about what we have to offer. The improvements found in this website will save you time and money. In the sign-up process, we need to gather important information about your company. We will not sell or share any of this information. This information will be used to automatically generate load confirmations, bills of lading, insurance inquiries, invoices, payment documentation, and any other documentation used in the course of transacting business on this website. Please make sure it is accurate. All account information will be verified by our staff before your account is approved. Once approved, your company will see great savings in overhead costs and benefits as you send or transport goods around the country. Our goal is to speed up, automate, and simplify posting loads, finding loads, documentation, and payment processes currently used in the transportation industry. Please take a moment to read our Terms of Service Agreement. We have an innovative system designed to shorten the multi-step communication chain from shipper to driver, reducing communication errors. This system takes the instructions directly from the shipper and sends it electronically to the broker, carrier, receivers, and drivers. Shippers and drivers will now have direct communication while keeping everyone along the communication chain informed. This website provides a place where every carrier in the country can easily see posted loads without sign-up and monthly fees. Once registered and approved, shippers can post and carriers can contract any load they qualify for. Your email is your username. Please enter and confirm your password. Security is important. If you want someone other than you to work on your account without giving them your password, contact us and we will be able to help you set up a role for other employees or dispatchers. Enter your address here. Our system has made inputting addresses quick and easy. We have a drop pin option that will allow you to find locations. Our system will generate the address, or if you know the address, just type it in. Our autofill technology will automatically fill in the city and state once the zip code has been entered. Always verify all information for accuracy. To ensure successful deliveries, shippers have the responsibility to make sure all information is correct. Mistakes entered will be transferred to everyone in the communication chain. Input security questions for password reset. Security questions should be something that you will remember easily, but not something that would be easily guessed by someone else. This will keep your account secure, but also keep it easy for you to access your account in case you forget your password. Here you will choose your role. If you are a shipper, carrier, broker, or a combination of all three, sign up as your most profitable role, and we will help add other roles to your account as you need them. We have teamed up with Stripe to provide all our payments and ACH transactions. This lowers the cost of transferring money and ensures the speed, safety, and security of your accounts. All shippers will pay by debit or credit card to verify and collect available funds. Brokers and carriers are required to set up a Stripe account. Stripe will handle all accounts and transactions between shippers, CashFreight.com, carriers, and brokers. In order to verify the legitimacy of your business, we need your federal ID number and Social Security number. For brokers and carriers, we will also need your MC number and DOT number. We collect this so that we can collect your FMCSA Safer Sys rating for the load contracting process. We also collect your insurance information so that we can verify and supply all insurance requirements for each load. Now that you have finished the sign-up process, we will review your information to determine business legitimacy, that all insurance requirements are met, and to ensure FMCSA Safer Sys ratings and other criteria are accurate in our system. Once we have determined all information is correct and complete, you will receive notification that your account has been approved, at which point you can log in and begin to move freight about the country. Thank you for joining us.